this tool has given me a new superpower to really enhance and be efficient. Hi, I'm Vivian. I currently lead SEO at Webflow. Webflow is a website experience platform that lets marketers, designers, and developers all come together to build, manage, and optimize their best performing marketing asset, which is their website. I've been in the SEO industry for over 10 years, and I just love being able to experiment and test new tools like AirOps to really drive business results. Like many other growing organizations, we're constantly looking for new ways to leverage new tools to really maximize impact with limited resources. I was actually looking for some ways to automate our content refresh process. That was when I began to see the real opportunity. And as I chatted with more of the AirOps folks, I just got really excited about the opportunity to leverage that platform to build out workflows that could replace some of our manual tasks. And I also just especially love that AirOps integrates so seamlessly with the Webflow CMS. With one click of a button, we can just publish all of our updates. When I was evaluating AirOps, I really looked at some of the specific points in our processes where automation could really enhance our efficiency without sacrificing quality. So far, the integration has been just really straightforward. I can see AirOps just being able to save hours of work with the content refresh process. Since that process is so manual, it takes just really hours of work to research, understand what parts of the content needs refreshing, and also just the part where we have to manually create content and refresh that content, and then going in, making those updates in the CMS itself. As a team of one SEO at Webflow, it's just been exciting to talk with the team about all of the opportunities to kind of automate some of our existing processes and just replace hours of work. And I just think that there's so many different use cases with the AirOps and Webflow integration, just not only for content optimizations, but really scaling out content. One thing that really stood out to me also is Webflow's mission is really to empower teams to move faster, to build, manage, and optimize their website. And then as I'm working with the AirOps team to scale new workflows, I just feel our values are very aligned with helping teams move faster. And I just feel this tool has given me a new superpower to really enhance and be efficient.